Still struggling with stubborn grease, dirt, and stains? Tired of scrubbing your kitchen, bathroom, or car for hours with little results? Most cleaning products are full of harsh chemicals and require a lot of effort. But what if you could clean faster, easier, and without chemicals? Introducing the 2500W Handheld Steam Cleaner. It heats up in just 10 to 15 seconds and produces powerful high-pressure steam. Watch grease melt away from kitchen surfaces. Remove dirt and grime from tiles, grout, floors, and furniture with ease. Even tough car interior stains don't stand a chance. With 6 adjustable steam levels, you get the perfect cleaning power for every job. The large 1,200 milliliters water tank provides up to 1 hour of continuous cleaning. No harsh chemicals. No endless scrubbing. Just powerful steam and amazing results. Ready to make cleaning easier than ever? Click the link in the description and get yours today.